Ow, the beach. Ice beach. I can't believe it. We're at the beach. It's too hot. I fell over. Yeah. Ew, the stand's sticking on me. Okay, phone base. Do your stuff. Yeah. Oh no, here comes the dummies. Here I come to ruin your day. Ow. Wow. Wow. These guys go down smooth. But I'm on my home turf, so I'm tougher. Oh. Ow! Oh no. I better find help. Ah. Huh? Hey, can you help us? Please, we've been stuck here just dancing for hours. Okay. Haven't seen you. Lightning, good to see you. There. Yeah, howdy. My name's Starfruit. Well, Starfruit, get duckweed. Ah! Oh, great. Any last words? Yeah. There's a ninja star on the way. Wait, what? Ow! Haha. Now, ow, 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 eh. Ugh. Haha. Who are you? The name's Starfruit. I'm a starfish. Well, nice to meet you, Starfruit. Good thing I found these two. Great, now we found Lightning Week. You can't stand that well, can you? Nope, no I can't. Howdy, I'm gonna go down over here. Good idea. Nice to see you, Lightning Week. It's nice to see you too. Wait, wait, hello? Yay, here comes Eddie. Oh, great, it's Eddie. Yay! I drove over the star. Ugh. Now you go. Ow, ow. Hey, what? I shoot in 5 directions. Crud. I don't know even why I'm here. You're carrying a dolphin. It's a marine mammal. Yeah, you're right. Whoa. So big, so much water. Snorkelers are gonna love this place, but here I come! Ah! Ow, I'm on fire! Ow. Well, we're going this smooth so far this week. A boss wave, holy crud. That's right, bros. It's time for the big wave. For in the name of zombies. Oh. This guy is so easy. Yeah, then what about Snorkeler? Gimmick kind of ruined, but wait. Attacks! Blowing bubbles! Ow! Water bubbles! My weakness! Okay, Lightning Weed. He's all wet. That means... Wait, I'm wet. Look, here I come, bruh. Oh no. Ow. 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 Help! Plant food! Oh, your toast, bro. Scrud. Oh. Wait. And. Oh no! Like you totally beat my friends in duckweed. I'm gonna get you now. Okay, you're dead. Ow! Oh! Ow! Ugh! Ew, I'm all wet! Ew! Ew! I'm all wet! I hate her. So far, no, bro. Oh no. Like, bro, what are you doing on my beach? This beach, this whole little beach, it's a lagoon. Whatever, it belongs to me, bro. This is all mine. The water's getting closer. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Can't be that tough. What? Ow! May have spoken too soon. Like lobster clobber. Ow! I'm a little teapot, sure, and so here's my handle. Here's my spout. Oh, crud! Ow. He was off by a lot. Starfruit, please tell me you can do something against him. I got an idea. Throw me straight in the air. Okay. Play food, go. Like what? Oh, I saw stars. That's it. Lobster leap and lobster slam. Oh, crud, oh, crud, oh. Ow. Ow. Barbie, this would be a good time for you to wake up. Die. Oh, wait, there's something stuck to me, but... Play food! Like, I'm burning! What do you bros want? By any chance, do you have a spare wig? This isn't a wig, bruh. But I do have a spare Super Brains wig. Here. Oh, thank goodness. Well, come on, guys. Lightning weed, you too. Have fun. Oh, bro. This is the worst day ever. You guys all stupid. I'm gonna go explore the beach a little. Let's go. Hi, waves. How about you go this way? Ow, my back hurts from being beaten to death. I can't get through here. Wait, how do we leave? How do we leave? I have to leave by sea? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not getting wet. I really hope that's Buckethead on a boat right now. Don't worry, I'm coming. Oh, thank goodness. Guys, pack up. Anyone to do a sand angel? Forget a sand angel. I want to do a sand angel. You want to do a sand angel? Yeah? Ugh. Stupid. Snorkeler want to go swimming. Fine, go swimming. Yeah. Oh. And I go. Hey, look, the guys are back and you guys look like you've been beaten up by Smash. I got clobbered in the face. I got sand stuck in me. I was dancing for hours. Hey, you found lightning read and the name Starfruit. I was thrown like a ninja star and hit. Well, he got it. Here. Super Brains' wig. I thought it was poplars. It turns out it's not a wig. Oh. Well, you're gonna have to tape it on. Why don't you? Oh, wait, you don't have arms. But I don't have arms either. Well, then do it. Okay, jeez, what the? Magic curtains. Ta-da! And it kind of looks ugly. The zombies would think it's cool. Yeah, you're right. Well, we just have to wait for the others to get back from Disney. Oh, yeah, and I wish I could go. You're too tall. But I wish I can go. Wait. Oh my gosh, that's your reflection. Oh man. I'll just brush my teeth. He's an idiot. Yeah, I can tell. Oh man, all this sand sticks to my back. Ugh. Do I even have a back? No, I don't. Hey, look. Hey, this is a good screensaver right here. Pause the video and you can get a cool new screensaver. Yeah. Bruh, is the mirror the waves getting closer? Yeah, they are. Let's run! Run while we still have a chance. Wow. Look at that view. Not those buildings. Look at this. Look, you can even see the rain. You see? See on the camera, people? See the gray? That's rain, people. Wow. Beautiful. I'm getting spit in my hands and my outfit. No. Seal. Leave me alone. Ah, the seagulls are after me. Ah, seagulls. Hey, what the? There's people here? I thought everyone was dead. I guess there was zombie apocalypse and all. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Howdy there. Yeah, don't mind me killing zombies, like usual.
Oh, Plants vs. Zombies.
Yeah, the name's Starfruit. That's Ice Pea. That's a duckweed. Fire Pea somewhere. Who knows?
You too?
Yes. Yes.
So cool.
Yeah, thank you.
We played the Plants vs. Zombies on what, PS4? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Howdy to meet you there. The name's Starfruit. Thank you. Take care of yourself. And good luck catching stuff. Starfruit.
Starfruit.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
Ozzy the Ozzy Lot. Go check it out. It's great. The videos may not be the best quality, but I work my hardest.
You gotta start somewhere, man.
Yep. Now, thanks. Well, that's a blooper if I've ever seen one.